What's going on? It's your boy SS Marco, back at it again with a new video. Today we're gonna be ceramic coating the Camaro today. I'm gonna do an engine bay detail, kind of dusty if you see it, but yeah, I'm gonna be putting ceramic coating on my wrap and protecting it. Look at my rims. Oh my God, it's so dirty. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna be putting the ceramic coating on this Camaro. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if it's gonna look any better, but I'm gonna make sure to do a comparison. Look at all these, there's a lot of swirls on this hood I gotta buff out. But yeah, we're gonna do a comparison. I'm gonna give you guys an update, see what happens, if it works or is it worth it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep y'all posted.